In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of your orders on the Payless website. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new pair of shoes or a trendy accessory, tracking your order is an important step. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to navigate over to the official Payless website. That's simple enough. Just type www.payless.com into your browser's address bar, hit enter, and you'll be on your way. Once you're on the home page, it's time to sign in to your Payless account. So look to the top right corner of the page. There you'll spot the sign in link. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need your email and password at the ready. Enter your email address in the designated field and then your secure password just below that. It's crucial to double check that all your information is correct to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once you've entered your login details, submit the form and you're officially signed in. With your successful login, bring your attention once more to the top right corner. You'll see your profile or account icon right there. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to find and select My Orders, or sometimes referred to as Order History. This is your go-to spot for all information related to your recent and past transactions with Payless. In your order history, you'll be presented with a list detailing all your recent and past orders. Find the specific order you're interested in. Now, clicking on that order will reveal a treasure trove of information. You'll see the order status, whether it's marked as processing, shipped, or delivered, giving you a clear idea of where your package stands. For those keen to follow their package every step of the way, take note of the tracking number and shipping information provided with the order details. Should you wish to get more precise, real-time delivery updates, simply click on the tracking link. This link will transport you to the carrier's site where you'll gain the most up-to-date status of your delivery journey. This process can be incredibly useful, especially when you're awaiting packages with high anticipation or if there are specific concerns about an order. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep tabs on your Payless orders. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it makes your online shopping experience that much easier and more transparent. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.